Hi guys, we've just got in this lovely factory Fc450 23.5. It's a very low hour clean bike. This is on 39 hours or 38.9 hours it is. Loaded full of extras. Really nice clean bike. It's got a full Akrapovic exhaust on it. You can see it's got the factory clutch. It's got the XL factory wheels. Guts racing seat cover. It's got bits of carbon fibre over it. It's got ARC levers, pro taper bars. It's got the WP factory clamps. Standard Rockstar edition plastics. It's a very clean bike. Ready to go, just been serviced. It's had oils, filters, air filter done. It's live on the website now. Go check it out.